Welcome to Protect Nature. This is where we come face to face with haunting, realistic images of the terrible devastation that nature can cause. Fierce storms tearing everything apart, raging floods sweeping away entire cities, leaving behind unimaginable devastation. Each photo, each video and story on Protect Nature not only shows the terrifying power of nature, but also serves as an urgent warning. We have the opportunity to act, reduce the impacts of climate change, and protect this precious planet. Let's explore, understand the challenges that the Earth is facing, and find practical solutions to protect our blue planet. Are you ready for this meaningful journey? Start now. The floodwaters poured down in torrents, flooding every path, each stream rolling endlessly, sweeping away rocks and trees. The house is on fire, people's lives are in danger. Floods not only cause property damage, but also threaten human lives. Rising floodwaters cause severe erosion along the riverbank, causing nearby houses to collapse and be swept away. Black smoke billowed, filling the air, making everything suffocating. Rescuers were trying to put out the fierce fire. The house suddenly collapsed, endangering people. Cars had difficulty moving due to the mudslide, swaying and getting stuck in the slushy mud. The roof was lifted up by the storm wind, spinning in the air amid the fierce storm. The violent shaking of the earthquake caused the building to collapse severely, endangering people. The flood came in raging, sweeping away everything in its path, creating an unimaginable scene of chaos and destruction. The super typhoon hit with terrible force. The wind howled fiercely, causing the roof to blow off, flipping in the air and falling to the ground. The sound of the murky and powerful water echoed, carrying with it soil, rocks, and trash, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. Oh my God, the strong flood swept the man away. The power of nature is so brutal. The house was on fire. Black smoke billowed up, obscuring the sky, hoping that those still inside the house would be safely rescued from the sea of fire. A part of the land was seriously eroded by floodwater. Leaning trees are likely to be uprooted due to the strong winds of the storm. The storm roared. Strong winds swept through, causing the roof to blow off, flying in the sky in the fury of nature. All the furniture was swept away by the flood, causing heavy damage to the people. The waves rose suddenly and crashed in with terrifying force. The car was being swept away by the floodwaters in a terrifying way. Lava flows from the volcano and forms a red river. The house collapsed with a loud bang. Chaos prevailed as pieces of wood and rubble were scattered everywhere. Massive icebergs are cracking and sinking into the ocean, warning that global temperatures are rising. The sound of rushing water echoed everywhere, creating a chaotic atmosphere. Rising floodwaters cause serious riverbank erosion. Oh God, a tornado is forming in the distance and is about to hit and destroy the houses. The flood came, murky water poured into every alley, submerging familiar streets. The storm at sea caused high waves to surge into the town, causing severe flooding. The storm passed, causing floodwaters to rise and flow rapidly, causing damage to people. The terrible wind is destroying everything and affecting people's lives. Tsunamis hit the shore with terrible force, endangering people. The volcano erupted violently. Black smoke billowed high into the sky, covering the sky and creating giant clouds. Oh my God, the man is being swept away by the flood. It's dangerous. High waves crashed into the town, causing severe damage. Tsunami caused severe flooding. The flooded road caused serious traffic congestion. Strong winds blew, fueling the fire to flare up more fiercely, threatening the whole neighborhood. The bridge collapsed in the roar of the flood, swept away by the unimaginable force of the water. The flood was raging. The water flowing rapidly carried away objects floating on the murky water surface. Black smoke billowed into the sky, signaling a terrible fire. The massive flood caused serious riverbank erosion. The earthquake struck suddenly. The ground shook violently, causing houses to sway, walls to crumble, and the sound of collapse echoed in the air. The flood swept away cars, submerging them one by one in the raging waters, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. We would like to thank you for joining Protect Nature on our journey to explore the harsh power of nature and the traces it leaves behind. Through fierce storms, ferocious tsunamis, and terrifying landslides, we have not only witnessed the devastation, but also understood the resilience of human spirit in the face of disaster. Your support is a strong motivation for us to continue our mission of protecting the planet and moving towards a green future. Together, we will create a world where nature and humans live in harmony, develop sustainably, and become more beautiful.